You're not allowed inside this New York City park. Gramercy Park is the only private park in Manhattan, and it's been off limits to the public for about 180 years. Out of a city of 8 million people, only a very privileged 400 or so New Yorkers possess keys that open these gates. The park isn't owned or maintained by the city. Instead, all of the properties surrounding the park chip in toward its upkeep. There's also a fee of $350 for the key itself, but it's pennies compared to the millions being spent on homes around here. Condos and townhouses on the park's edge sell for between $1 million and $36 million. But for all that dough, you become part of an elite group with a private outdoor escape away from all the hustle and bustle. You can sit on a park bench and relax, knowing that common folk like myself will never be able to spoil the grounds. Or you can shuffle through the gravel paths and admire the statue of Edwin Booth, the brother of John Wilkes Booth. Edwin was an actor, local benefactor, and resident of the neighborhood. You could have a lot more land and a decent house for much less in other parts of the country, but then you wouldn't be steps away from the heart of New York.